Say his name one time. ParisCollins.
Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile.
Hey y'all, welcome to Stone Mountain. Here with another prime estate. And this is a quiet neighborhood. And we are here at this beautiful ranch home. This one is more of the affordable side. I think you guys gonna like it. So we're gonna take a walk through together. This is a property tour. Again, description of the property and everything will be listed below. And we're gonna walk through here together. So this place has been remodeled. I'll let you see some of the light fixtures. New paint, new flooring. This will also be a quick one. There's no basement on this ranch house. These are beautiful lights. I don't know if you guys can see them. I love how you can walk through to the kitchen. You have new appliances in this home. New cabinets. I think these are the soft close. Oh yeah. New stove. You got the griddle on top. You could wake up, just cook your steak or your pancakes on that. New microwave. Sink is amazing. New dishwasher. Give you a better view of that. You also have the garage. This is brick. Is that a window? You know what? I think originally, whenever this place was built, they didn't have a garage. This is an add-on. But it's a 2-car garage. It's big. Yeah, look how that step is there. This was an add-on. You got the vent for the little crawl space. Closet here in the garage. Okay, that goes outside. We'll step out there. You have a closet right here. Oh, that's a hot water tank. Which way we'll go first? We'll go this hallway. There just has to be a light. Hallway light. All right. Closet. Got the recessed can lights, and I think those are LED. Is this? Okay, we'll go there last. That's the master. This bedroom over here. Closet space. Nice size closet for a bedroom. Ooh. This is the bathroom in the hallway, and they did this one up. Where's the light for this? Have an extra closet here in the bathroom. Oh, this is the washer and dryer. There's your hookup. Everything's new. I don't know if you guys can see that. Brass fittings, not touched, not scratched. Ready for hookup. All right, bedroom number 2. Where's that light? This one. Again, ample closet space. More closet space. So, looks like you got some scratches on the wall. That's new, that's nothing. It's just a little paint. And this is the master. Man, those can lights are amazing. Those floor to ceiling windows. This is your walk-in closet. Oh, there's a light. Pretty big. Decent size anyway. So if you really like this little gem here in Stone Mountain, go ahead and reach out to me. We can set up your own little private tour. This is a quick one. There's no upstairs or downstairs on this one. We're gonna head outside now. All right. Headed outside to the backyard. It's a big backyard. Squirrels over there getting on your nerve, that's no problem.
Say his name one time.
Looks like your neighbors got chickens.
Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile, that man's on fire. Signs in the yard, numbers going higher. Best salesman, that's the headline. Got your dream house sitting on the